A very good morning to you all, and I greet you all on this annual function of the National Workshop of Geo-Hydrological Survey using USP and UAV technologies, organized by the Department of Geography, Nagaland University.
I welcome you all for this event. By using the USV, we do the underwater survey and prepare the contour maps, slope maps, and we can know the silt road assessment.
This workshop has been designed to provide hands-on training and scientific exposure on the application of unmanned surface vehicle and unmanned aerial vehicles for the riverine environment, lake bathymetry, geo-hydrological surveys and environmental monitoring. Over the next 3 days, participants from different parts of the country will engage in technical sessions, field demonstrations and practical training, including field work in Majuli Island, Assam.
Extra mile to accommodate the demands of my colleagues when the matters related to these things, such as organizing workshops, seminars, or conducting research. And that's what I have been doing all these 3 years, 3.5 years.
I am sure that this workshop will provide recommendations, and based on these recommendations, definitely we will be able to move further in what are the new areas to work, new some of the new observations, new understanding, new modeling. All these things we can think about it.
Thank you to all the professors, scholars and students for being a part of this inaugural event, and we look forward for your active participation to all the participants starting from the next section. Thank you and good morning.
Chairperson of this session, I warmly welcome you to this session.
Thanks a lot for inviting me here. So the topic that I have chosen to deliberate with you all is about glacier dynamics, water, ice and mass balance. Thank you so much. Thank you head sir for the opportunity. आपने यहाँ पे invite किया हमें. Thank you Manasi for coordinating this whole training program. Thanks a lot. I'm ready for all your questions. If you want to collaborate, so please contact me.
May I invite Dr. Preetham Chan? Please take your own time, sir.
Is that as a geographer, as a geoscientist, we have to take care how we can do a mapping with more batteries. That's a major concern.
Okay, so these are the photographs.
Yeah, the participants are quite active, so I think they can learn and they are going to use whatever techniques they are learning from here. So that's
It was very good, very informative, and I really enjoyed attending this workshop. So thank you very much for organizing this.
I really enjoyed the workshop and I had the great opportunity to learn so many things from them.
Unmanned surface vehicle, that is, we use the Apache probe to estimate the water level depth. It is a great experience.
So far it's going good. I'm learning a lot. So I hope and expect that we'll have more of this kind of workshops again. Yeah, thank you.